You've guessed it, it's Chris's Central Station. The purpose of this video is to show you where we got up to in 2023 using our own technology. This was our best run, and my station master's brother, the electrical guru, and me are there reveling in the fact that it all works. We've got 3 tracks. The outside track going clockwise, I guess, has 3 trains on it. It's got 4 blocks, and we're using the orange box, which you've now seen to control. The second track has a passing loop in it, and we gradually worked out with our sensors that when a train comes around, if it's going to catch up, the slow one goes into the passing loop and allows the other one to pass. The inside track is the cunning one, where we've got a crossover and we're running 2 trains, and we make sure that the train doesn't run into the crossover, into the train crossover. Now I'm about to redo this. You can see now, I'll just describe what happens. So this one going past now with the white van is one on the 3 on the outside track. You can see on the far right there, the second one came up. Now here comes this train. This train is obviously going to be caught. There's the second one, it's caught up to it, running one faster. So that one stays in the passing loop. And here's it going past. Now the train on the inside track is going to be the one that goes through the crossing. Now we restarted it just to see it. So here's one coming into the passing loop. The other one's catching it up. It stops. Here comes the train. Now this will go down the track a fair way, and then it will release it with a sensor we've got down there, and this one will go in. The one we've just seen going the inside is the one that if we watch, see, it goes through the crossing, it goes round the circle, and this one with the 2 red fuel wagons is going to stop and not run into it. Otherwise we'd have a bit of a fire. And there it stops, and my brother is so excited that the whole thing works, as he should be. Those grey huts, or brown huts with grey roofs, shall I say, are where we're hiding the sensors. We've now moved to new and smaller sensors. So, and we're trying to improve the mess. If you have a look over there where the passing loop is, there you'll see there's a little hut which has got the sensor, and there's a pile of electronics, which was pretty messy. But it was all done with relays, no computer. So this was the high point, and I'd like to thank the station master's brother and the electrical guru who worked very hard to get this. So this was the epitome of our technology, but we're now moving on. This shows what you can do with old technology, relays, etc. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.